What's up? It's Free Tip Friday. Let's go. We got some saw blades. You need to clean your saw blades, table saw blades, miter saw blades, whatever. You need to clean them up. Let's go down to the bench. This is how I do it. Plastic bucket lid. Got it at Home Depot. A 10-inch, I think a 12-inch would fit in here, no problem. Decent brush. Pick this brush up, yard sale, or we have a surplus store actually. This is where I picked this brush up at. A good rag. My blade's not that dirty, but I get in the habit of whenever I just clean one blade, and I'm just using simple grain. Come on, simple grain. Just spray some simple green on it. You know, the basin's going to hold it all, right? Take my brush. Sometimes I'll let it sit if it's really bad. And just take my brush, go around. And the brush will, you work the brush back and forth, and it'll get into the gullets of the blade. And that's what you want to clean too. You don't want to just clean the surface of the blade. You want to clean in the gullets too. Get the saw pitch, all the pitch off of that gullet, right? So another thing, it's a good time to inspect your blade. See if you have any chipped teeth, broken teeth. I just noticed this blade has a broken tooth. One isn't going to matter too much. But if you have a bunch of broken teeth, that's going to be a problem. You want to kind of get rid of the blade. These blades, I buy these blades at Home Depot. They're not too expensive, so you can see they're pretty clean. And you can just do a little wipe, you know. The towel, and a good abrasive towel, is really going to help you. See, I got a broken tooth there. And then you flip it over, do the other side, and works good. The blade fits in there really nice. I didn't think of this. I saw it on, I think Stumpy Nubs did this. He's another woodworking dude. He's got a big channel. And they make all kinds of stuff to do this. But if you you can probably find a lid for cheap or for free if you look around. But this lid was only $2.99 or something like that. And then just wipe it off. And if you get in the habit of cleaning your blades all the time, then your saw is going to work a lot better. Your cuts are going to be nicer. It just is a lot nicer when you don't have a lot of pitch on your blades. These still have some pitch on the blade. I don't use this blade anymore. I was just picking out a blade to kind of like demonstrate it to you. This is one that I use. You see a little bit of buildup on there. I'm going to dump it in there. So the big thing is, if it's bad, let it soak. Simple green, let it soak 10-15 minutes. And most of the time, you can come back you don't need to scrub. You could just come back with a really good towel. These are Huck towels. They're really good, man. And they just a little wipe and all the pitch comes off. And again, if you have more pitch, you're going to have to let it soak. I clean my blades, like I said, regularly. If I change a blade most of the time, especially if I start a new project or an important project, I clean the blade. It takes you 10 minutes, man. Get in the habit of doing it. Your work will be a lot better when you do something like that. And flip it over, do the other side, and then you could just dump out what's in here. There's not that much in here. But yeah, it's a good tip. Simple green, a 5-gallon bucket lid, a brush, a good rag, and you'll keep your saw blades clean. Be well, be safe on your job site or in your shop. Until the next time, see ya.